helps with blood flow, heart health, you name it. Pour me a half glass. Magnificent.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
We're about to make my weekly juice. This is called the libido booster, you know. So I say good for your blood flow and all these things. So if you want to get the thing right, this is the recipe. So I have here a big melon, normally use half, which is about 2.5 to 3 pounds. I washed this already and we're just gonna chop that up the nice bite-sized pieces. I like to keep the skin on. Yeah, keep the skin on this one. Okay, so you can take off half of the skin or you can keep half. So we're gonna stay with half the skin on, half off, because the skin has a lot of benefits in there too. So we'll just score out that. See we don't have anything left back clean. Chop that into bite-sized piece, drop it into our juicer, and we're gonna juice that. We're gonna pour that through a sieve into a big bowl. We're going to go into 2 lemons. And I have here washed and chopped about 2 ounces of ginger. And we have 3 pomegranates already washed. We're gonna chop those and de-seed. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're just gonna de-seed. I normally like to use a spoon and go in, and I just scoop it out like that. Quicker that way. There. I just add that to my juicer. Beautiful. And finally, we're going to go into some beetroot. I normally use fresh beetroot, but for some reason I couldn't find any fresh while I went to the store, so I grabbed some frozen beets. I'm now going in 6 beetroots. So these are the slices. Just gonna juice our beets. I'm going to have to use up my blender because my beetroot didn't beat. And I'm gonna go into some coconut water because my beetroot did not work in the juicer. Not sure if it's because it's frozen. Regardless, we're gonna make it work. So we're gonna blend that. We're gonna add that to our blended melon and everything. Strain it out. That pomegranate drink, that pomegranate juice, I'm gonna add to the blender, so we don't have to blend with any water, right? Then I'm gonna go in with the remainder of the beets that were just chopped up but never processed. strain that beet off. I'm gonna go in with some cheesecloth as well as my sieve to get a second strain to get it nice and smooth. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Here we go. I'm gonna grab a funnel and my bottle, and we're gonna fill that up. And this definitely helps with blood circulation, blood flow, high in electrolytes, good for hydration first thing in the morning. I drink 8 ounces of this. Nice and sweet, the melon. Once you have a nice sweet watermelon, you're good to go. The ginger in this helps in digestion. So it's all about digestion as well as your gut health. So it's all around a good drink to have. Helps with blood flow, heart health, you name it. Gonna drink some from a glass. Pour me a half glass. Magnificent.
Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.